Okay, so I'm going to do this in two parts. I want to talk about this little 4-in-1 whistle that I picked up at Walmart. And I just grabbed this mostly for fun. They call it the 4-function camp whistle. You can find it in a camping department. And I've been playing with this now for a few weeks. So you have a thermometer on the back here, which I've been testing, and it's accurate. We've got an 83-degree temperature day here where I'm at here in California, and we've got just a little bit reading just over the 80-degree mark, so seems to be accurate there. Turn this fluorescent light off, might be too much light. It's got a whistle, okay. It's quite loud. Be okay for a rescuer like that. It's probably a great little whistle for, well, anybody really, but a scout or like that, hanging around their necks, so if they get lost and separated, you know, teach them whistle code. It has a compass, and it's like a lot of cheap compasses. It's what I call mushy, kind of hard to get it to come to true, but I did test it against a good compass, and it is reasonably accurate, meaning that it might not be exactly at the same azimuth, but it's pretty darn close. So, you know, everybody says carry 2 compasses because sometimes you won't believe just one, and 2 will validate. So I think the value in this would be just having it as a spare, and you could match up your primary compass against it and go, okay, yeah, this is truly the right direction, and no problem here. So mostly why I got this, because tucked away in here is a magnifying glass. Oh, and it comes with a lanyard, so you could clip it, you could remove it, clip it to a pack, or you could hang it around your neck. And it's got a plastic, a really chintzy plastic magnifying glass. It does work. It's a little scratched up. But I was thinking, well, I wonder if, you know, I could ignite char cloth with this. I tried it the other day, and it wouldn't work. And I think the reason was because there was a lot of haze, and the rays of the sun were really weak. So I'm going to shoot another video follow up to this, and I'm going to see if I can get some char cloth ignited. I've got some char cloth right here that I made a while back. It's really hard to get it to take a spark, but we'll see if the magnifying glass with this little whistle will work. So I'll follow up with part 2 here shortly. Okay, and again, that's the Walmart 4-function camping whistle. They're about, I think, $4. I think $3.99, something like that at Walmart. Okay.